In this lecture, we will discuss about different stages of meiosis. Meiosis term was given by Farmer and Murray in 1905. As shown in the diagram, one cell produces 4 daughter cells upon completion of one cell division. Meiosis is found only in diploid cells. Haploid cells cannot divide by meiosis. Number of chromosomes in daughter cells remain half as of parent cell. Meiosis first is also called as reductional division due to reduction in number of chromosomes to half. Meiosis second is also called as equational division due to no reduction in chromosome numbers. Meiosis is responsible for formation of gametes in all organisms. In plants, meiosis occurs in germ cells. In cell cycle, DNA replication takes place only once in S phase, while cell division takes place 2 times. In meiosis, crossing over takes place between homologous chromosomes. Meiosis first is divided into 4 phases: prophase first, metaphase first, anaphase first, and telophase first. Similarly, meiosis second is also divided into 4 phases: prophase second, metaphase second, anaphase second, and telophase second. First of all, we will discuss about meiosis first. Prophase first is the longest and more complex phase of meiosis. It is further divided into 5 stages based upon chromosome behavior: leptotene, zygotene, pachytene, diplotene, and diakinesis. In leptotene, as shown in the diagram, chromatin fibers start condensing to form chromosomes and nucleus increase in size. In zygotene, more condensation of chromosomes occurs. Homologous chromosomes move towards each other and make synapses by pairing. A synaptonemal complex is developed between homologous chromosomes as shown in the diagram. Pachytene is comparatively longest phase of prophase first. Bivalent chromosomes splits up into similar chromatids. As a result, tetrad is formed. Recombination nodules are formed between non-sister chromatids where crossing over takes place. In crossing over, genetic material is exchanged with the help of recombinase enzyme. As shown in the diagram, first and second are sister chromatids for each other, third and fourth are sister chromatids for each other, while first and third are non-sister chromatids for each other, second and third are non-sister chromatids for each other, first and fourth are non-sister chromatids for each other, second and fourth are non-sister chromatids for each other. In diplotene stage, the synaptonemal complex get dissoluted. Homologous chromosomes get separated except at the place of crossover. These X-shaped structures are called as chiasmata as shown in the diagram. Diplotene stage can arrest for several months or years in oocytes of some vertebrates. In diakinesis, terminalization of chiasmata takes place. As shown in the diagram, chromosomes become fully condensed. Spindle fibers are originated from both the poles. Nuclear membrane and nucleolus get disappeared. In metaphase first, spindle formation get completed. As shown in the diagram, chromosomes are aligned at equator. As a result, 2 metaphase plates are formed. Spindle fibers get attached with homologous chromosomes from each pole. In anaphase first, homologous chromosomes get separated and move towards the opposite poles due to contraction of spindle fibers as shown in the diagram. In telophase first, nuclear membrane and nucleolus get reappeared. As a result, 2 daughter nuclei are formed, which is called dyad. as shown in the diagram. After telophase first, cytokinesis may occur or may not occur. Interkinesis is a short interphase between meiosis first and meiosis second as shown in the diagram. DNA replication does not take place in this phase. Now we will discuss about meiosis second. As we described earlier, similar to meiosis first, meiosis second is also further divided into four phases: prophase second, metaphase second, anaphase second, and telophase second. Meiosis second is just same as mitosis. All the events occur in different phases of meiosis second are same as occur in different phases of mitosis. Hence, we can say prophase second is equal to prophase, metaphase second is equal to metaphase, anaphase second is equal to anaphase, and telophase second is equal to telophase.